I'm not feeling well from yesterday. Now I should go to a doctor.
We must have a theory ready for the future to answer the United Nations and other countries of the world that how it is arised from Wuhan.
Okay, sir. But what should we do now?
Now we have to do nothing. Just wait and watch. When the time will come, I will tell you.
Sir, may I come in?
Yes, come, sit. What happened?
From yesterday, I am not feeling well. I am having high fever and cough.
Let me see. I think this is normal viral fever and cold. I am giving you some medicines. Take it with care. Come after 3 days and then tell me your condition.
Okay then. Doctor, my condition has not improved yet and it is getting worse and worse.
Let me see. Do you have any other problem?
I think it is difficult to breathe from yesterday and I am feeling very tired.
Again, I am giving you some medicine. Take this and come after 2 days.
Still, there is no improvement in my health. I am facing the same problem of breathing and moreover I have got chest pain.
I have given you medicines which are effective in your case, but still you have no improvement.
So, what should I do now?
I am not able to understand your situation. It is quite strange. I think it is a different type of viral infection which I haven't seen yet. I have some strange cases like this. I think it is a different type of viral infection which I haven't seen yet. I think I should inform the Health Ministry of China about this. Hello, Health Ministry. Yes, I want to talk to the Health Minister. This is urgent. Hello, sir. Yes, I am Dr. Li Wenliang from Wuhan Central Hospital. I have noticed a different type of viral infection in Wuhan. Yes, sir, it is quite strange. I have noticed many cases in Wuhan like this. I have seen many cases like this in Wuhan. Yes, I am treating some patients. I have used all the effective medicines, but there is no effect on them. It is a different type of viral infection.
Shut up. Sir, Health Minister wants to talk to you. Sir, it's urgent.
Yes, what? Oh, a doctor from Wuhan. What is his name? Dr. Li Wenliang. from Wuhan Central Hospital. Okay, I am giving order to immediately arrest him.
Okay, sir, it was my responsibility, so I informed to you. You are under arrest.